When you search for the best gimbals for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to figure out what really works and what you'll actually enjoy using, you've got to look a bit closer. Product number 1, NEWER Upgraded Phone Rig. Let's kick things off with the NEWER Upgraded Phone Rig Vlogging Kit. Priced at $49.39, this product really caught my eye with its dual-handle design. If you want superior stability for your Galaxy S24 Ultra while vlogging or shooting videos, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The enhanced universal phone cage adjusts from 2.2 to 4, making it compatible with a range of smartphones including the S24 Ultra. That means you can easily secure your phone without fear of it dropping while filming. The dual handles offer ergonomic support, so you can shoot for longer without that dreaded hand fatigue. Plus, the numerous 1/4 threads mean you can connect additional accessories like microphones or lights, which is a game changer for improving your video quality. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from 1,400 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its functionality. Now, some people complained about the weight of the rig. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your content creation, a little extra weight is a fair trade-off for the stability and control you gain. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator looking to up your video game. Skip this one if you want something ultralight for quick shots. At this price, you're getting excellent value for a sturdy vlogging setup. Now, if the weight of the NEWER rig bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, NEWER Metal Phone Tripod Mount. Next up is the NEWER Metal Phone Tripod Mount, retailing at just $16.99. I was surprised by how compact yet sturdy it feels. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that offers versatility, this is definitely worth your time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360 degrees rotation allows for both vertical and horizontal shooting, which is essential for capturing those perfect angles. Plus, the 180 degrees tilt lets you get creative with low and overhead shots. It even has 2 cold shoe mounts for adding lights or microphones, which is a big plus for enhancing your video quality. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 400 reviews, it's proving to be popular among users. Now some folks mentioned that the clamp could be a bit tight. Here's the thing though, a snug fit ensures your phone stays secure, which is far more important than a little extra effort to attach it. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-carry option for various setups. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features. Honestly, for under $20, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list has advanced features that might really catch your interest. Product number 3, JUSHITO Titanium Case. Now let's talk about the JUSHITO official titanium case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, available for just $12.99. I honestly love the sleek design. It's not just protective but also stylish. If you're looking for a case that doubles as a stylish accessory while protecting your phone, you need to check this out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The case features a built-in camera lens protector made from 9H glass, ensuring your phone camera is always ready to capture stunning moments without scratches. Plus, it's military-grade shockproof, so you can drop it from up to 12 feet without worrying about damage. The MagSafe compatibility means you can easily attach accessories like wallets or battery packs, giving you that extra flexibility. Now some users mention that it adds a bit of bulk to the phone, but here's the thing, that extra protection is crucial, especially when you're investing in a premium device like the S24 Ultra. This is perfect for you if you want stylish protection with functionality. Skip this one if you prefer a super slim case. At this price, it's a fantastic deal for what you get. Now, if you're really into filming, the next product could supercharge your shooting experience. Product number 4, Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. Next, we have the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Gimbal Stabilizer priced at $69. This thing genuinely surprised me with its advanced stabilization technology. If you want professional-looking footage from your Galaxy S24 Ultra, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The iSteady 7 stability technology means you can shoot smooth videos even if you're on the move. The gimbal has an ultra-wide-angle feature, which means you won't have to worry about the gimbal motors blocking your camera's view. With 13 hours of battery life and the ability to charge your phone while filming, it's excellent for long shoots. This product has an impressive 4.2-star rating from over 15,900 reviews, showing just how much users appreciate its performance. Now, some have mentioned it can take a bit to learn all the controls. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the creative possibilities are endless and that learning curve is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about producing high-quality video content. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward without the extra features. Given its capabilities, it's definitely good value. Lastly, if you need something that protects your phone while filming, check out this next product. Product number 5, NEWER Faux Leather Case. Finally, we have the NEWER S24 Ultra Faux Leather Case priced at $23.74. Honestly, I was impressed by its blend of style and functionality. If you want a case that enhances your phone's aesthetics while being practical, this one's a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in 17 lens mounts allow you to attach additional lenses for creative photography, while the quick-release 67 filter adapter means you can use filters to enhance your shots. Plus, the faux leather texture not only protects against scratches, but also provides a secure grip while shooting. It's compatible with MagSafe charging, which is a nice touch for convenience. With a 4.1-star rating from 109 reviews, users seem satisfied with its performance. Now, some users noted that it doesn't offer the same level of drop protection as thicker cases. But here's the thing, if you're careful and want to maintain a sleek profile, this case strikes a great balance between protection and style. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that combines style with shooting functionality. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty protection. For the price, it's a valuable addition to your gear. So to sum it up, we covered the NEWER upgraded phone rig for stability, the NEWER metal phone tripod mount for versatility, the JUSHITO titanium case for stylish protection, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus for professional footage, and the NEWER faux leather case for a balanced approach. Each of these products has something unique to offer depending on your needs. Pick the one that aligns best with your filming style and start creating.